about deterministic behavior. So what are the characteristics of deterministic behavior? So deterministic behavior means low randomness because it is deterministic in nature. We can determine its behavior. We can determine that, okay, for a particular input, what would be the output? We can determine. So deterministic behavior, the characteristic of it is low randomness, more repeatable outputs, and predictable tool selection. So deterministic behavior is very much predictable. We can predict the outcomes. We will get more repeatable outputs and low randomness. Now, deterministic behavior, it is useful for business workflows because business workflows, they are deterministic in nature. So the idea is that we are trying to automate a business workflow. So we know that what are the steps that needs to be followed, and for an input, what should be the output. So it is deterministic in nature. Business workflows, structured automation, it is very much deterministic in nature. And production systems. So deterministic behavior is characterized by low randomness, more repeatable outputs, predictable tool selection, and deterministic behavior is useful for business workflows, structured automation, production systems. Now the risk involved is with deterministic behavior is reduced flexibility. Now deterministic behavior, it cannot handle uncertain scenarios. So that's why the system will be more of like brittle, rigid. Any uncertainty, it will break. So reduced flexibility and less creative problem solving.